What's up guys, Gundam Fan, and today we are looking at this guy.
What was that? I am a gundam.
Okay, morning guys, thanks for coming back. Oh my god, it's another crazy morning. Doing a birthday stream today because it's my birthday tomorrow, so I'm there. Yeah, my brain's just not functioning properly. It really ain't. I can't sort of comprehend. It's going to be quite a busy day. So, here we are. Enough of that. Stephen at gunpla.co.uk decided to send me this cursed kit. It's a little bit of a running joke. I mean, what the hell is this thing? I mean, I've not read the manga, and I don't know the first thing about Crossbone. Not a single thing. I've not built any Crossbone kits, not even any of the Gundam, funny enough, but here we are. I've been dropped this. So if you want one of these, I'm pretty sure they're still in stock over at gunpla.co.uk. If not, he'll be able to get you one, I'm sure. Link in the description below, and you can use Gundam Fan % for 10% off as well. So if you want one of these, if you're after one of these, yeah, that's where I got this one from. Thanks again, Stephen, for sending this out. You're an absolute champion. Please support the channel and the store. Working in harmony. Anyway, thanks again, Stephen. This kit is, I don't know. It's what is it? What does it do? Is it a mecha? Is it a hand? I don't know. So I am literally going into this blind. I gave one of these away to someone, I believe, on the channel. I think it was a giveaway prize at one point. I'm not entirely sure. I can't remember. But they love it. So it certainly has a pull. I think there's a drawer for kits like this. The weird and the wacky. But certainly, I don't know anything, so I can't really just say anything to make stuff up. Do you know what I mean? I think it's got two colours. It comes in halves. I've been told you can mix and match them, so you can have an all white end and an all purple end, possibly. I'm not entirely sure, but I'm pretty sure you can make two hands. Whether you can attach these hands to other bigger Gundams, I'm not sure. Again, I really do not know nothing. So I'm going into this blind. I'm going to be building this on stream today. But for now, we're going to be taking a look at this unboxing, sorry, and see what's inside. This goes for about 45 to 50 pounds. Because it's a pbandai, obviously there is a little bit of a premium involved in that. So if you want one of those, like I say, go on to gunpla.co.uk and see if they're in stock. If not, speak to Stephen if you want one, and he might be able to back order some of the stuff for you. Right, okay, that's it. I mean, in terms of the talking side of things, I've got nothing. And that's a shame, isn't it? You know, you come here for a little bit of details, a bit of knowledge or whatever. I've got absolutely nothing. I don't know whether it's an antagonist or whether it's a drone, whether it's a GM or whether it's a specialist suit from one of the characters. I've got nothing. So without further ado, rather than me just going around in circles and tell you I don't know nothing about this kit, let's get into the unboxing. Again, thank you so much for the support. Thank you for the follows. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and a thumbs up. And I will see you in the next one.